Hello folks, and welcome back. We are back in the Kenworth hauling loads. Got the new PTO switch installed, hoping that it does the trick. Anytime that something electrical fails you, especially something new, whenever you have a new vehicle and it does something that it's not supposed to do, it always makes you second guess it. No matter if they replace the part or what the situation is. So I'm just hoping that things are good. Because the situation, the conditions are not the best right now. It wasn't really supposed to snow. Heading back down to South Shore Sand and Gravel today to haul some more ballast rock for that new ferry terminal getting built down in Blandford. And the highways aren't too bad, but these side roads are still nothing but a sheet of ice right now. Anyway, we're gonna do our best to get some stuff done today. Yeah, man, it's slick. Tell you what, I'd much rather be driving a standard transmission on these roads when you're coming to a stop and trying to gain some speed, because the transmission, the truck doesn't know what's in front of it. The truck can't see that there's snow and ice everywhere. It just wants to shift how it usually shifts, and with these conditions, the last thing that you want is to be going up a hill, having some momentum, and all of a sudden the truck shifts. And this thing doesn't shift like an Allison. It doesn't shift quick. Yes, you can put it in manual mode, which is what I would definitely do if I was on some side roads right now. I would 100% put this thing in manual mode so I could control the shifts 100%. Right now, I'm not doing that, but anyway, we will head on down and see what takes place. I am definitely hoping that this thing does not flash anything at me here in the dash today. I do not want to deal with any of that, that's for sure. All right, we made it. Roads and spots were a little bit touchy, but for the most part, not too bad. So we're hauling some ballast rock again today. Nice and big and loud. So today's the day after the big hockey game, championship game last night with US and Canada. Canada came out on top, and obviously me being Canadian, I was absolutely pumped by it, and I'm still pumped by it. Like, incredible feeling. I don't know, as far as the whole booing the anthems and all the crap that went with that, I definitely don't agree with that at all. I'm a proud Canadian, so Canada first. If you're from America, America first. I don't blame you for it at all. Like, why would you be for anybody but your own country? Like, that wouldn't show much patriotism, would it? But I don't know. I mean, a lot of people are short-sighted, don't do a lot of research, and just blame Trump for everything. I blame our own government here in Canada, our liberal joke of a government here in Canada, much more than I blame Trump for anything. Our liberal government's a complete joke. They've been a joke for a long time, and God willing, they will soon be gone. But hey, Canada coming on top. We're still number one, but I don't know, I think it's a matter of time. The US is, you guys got 10 times the population we got. So it's only a matter of time, I think, before you guys are the king of the hill. Okay, so here we are, and this is the moment of truth. See how this load is going to go. Every single time I come here, there's a crane in the way. Okay, well, he actually got me to back up and dump off in a different spot, luckily, so I didn't have to sit around there and wait. But yeah, the PTO worked great, aside from the fact that my lever is now reversed. To raise my box, I go the opposite way than I did before, which is a little wonky, but I guess I'll get used to that. We just lost about 15 minutes here on our route. The excavator operator shut down for some lunch. Company rules, if they got a paid lunch or whatever, of course, it is what it is. Trucks are lined up, so now we'll all be going in a line down there dumping. We were spread out quite nice, but now we'll be fairly close together, but oh well, it is what it is. 3 loads delivered so far. I'm gonna hope to get 6 loads. If I get 6 loads, I'll probably call it a day. Might push for 7. We'll have to see. It's by the ton mile today, so the more I haul, obviously the more I get. It's 2 twin steers right there. The extra weight they're able to haul and the extra axle for the hourly rate is really making me think hard on a twin steer, that's for sure. For the difference in price compared to what you can make with it, the twin steer sort of makes sense. So we're grossed about 23,000 right now. Gear, 9th gear, 11th, 13th, 14th, 16th. So it skips some gears right in the middle. Once it gets up, it catches every one. But like the 10 to like 15 seems like they're really close together. Same as the lower ones. Like typically the truck starts off in like 4th or 5th gear if you're just driving around. It doesn't use the lower gears really at all. It did back there with the load on and coming up the hill, but it was up at 8th pretty quick, and then from 8th it took its time, skipped a couple gears, but caught most of them. brake is on level 3 right now. Accelerate on the highway here. So we're in 10th right now. 12th. 14th. 15th. Now we'll catch every gear. Coming out of the quarry and getting on the highway, we got a hill as soon as we get going. So it's a bit of a haul for it. All right, folks. So this is load number 6. Truck is working flawlessly. I am definitely happy for that. Like, really happy for that. No issues at all with the PTO, nothing. This is how it should be. So Zach, I don't know if you know that I have a YouTube channel or if you're watching or what, but Zach was the technician from Bayview, Kenworth, and Dartmouth that came out and did the work on the truck. Awesome guy. He got her fixed up, working perfect. So we're going over there, dump off this load, number 6, like I said, and then that's gonna be it for me for today. It's Friday, and by the time I get home, it's gonna be dark, and you know, all that stuff. Spend some time with the family. I'm gonna stop in Chester and pick up pizza. If you are from this area at all and you like pizza, even if you don't like pizza, you need to try it. If you've never had Big Red's Pizza in Chester, you need to get some. There used to be 3 locations. There used to be one in Lunenburg, which was like a big restaurant. Then there was one in Tantallon and one in Chester. There actually used to be one over in Western Shore as well, actually. But now there's only one. So if you want Big Red's Pizza, you gotta go to Chester. It's completely different than most other pizzas you probably have ever tried, but give it a try. Definitely give it a try. Tell them that I sent you. Anyway, let's get this last load dumped off. Header home empty. When I drove by the overpass, the compliance was there and had a truck pulled over, so there's a good chance that when I'm on my way home that I'll have to do a roadside. But I got everything right here, and logbook is right there. Truck's good, so it'll be a quick one. Hopefully I got no cranes in the way this time. probably it for me. Well, we're a little lighter now. Now I'm just driving a truck. Just a really comfortable, high up, great visibility truck. Alright, I could definitely road trip this truck. Like, I could drive this truck to New Brunswick or Cape Breton. No problem at all. Just sit back and chill out. It's super comfortable. Obviously love the visibility. Yeah, I'd be all over that. One more stop before I get home. I'm actually going to pick up the 350 and get its first little bit of love. So stay tuned for that. Picking it up at Entice Motorsports, which is my favorite spot around to get anything done to my pickup trucks and, you know, that sort of thing. So yeah, you're gonna have to, should be the next video, because I won't be able to showcase anything in this video, because by the time that I get the truck and get it home, it's gonna be getting dark, so I'll have to wait for that. But yeah, like I said, it's got its first little bit of love. But love this truck. That's just the fuel. I need some fuel. Worked perfect today, so that's great. Thank you very much, Zach. I really appreciate that. Yeah, 6 loads. Truck did great. I'm actually going to be more uncomfortable in the 350 than I am in this truck, as well as just the seating position, the ride height, all that. I'm going to feel like I'm sitting on the ground when I get in the 350, and the 350 is definitely not a small truck, but it's going to feel low and small when I get in there. But anyway, folks, that's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video.